Hello everyone and welcome to our dance class. In today's lesson, we are going to teach you the cha-cha-cha.
We will start on the count of 4 with the right foot to the right. And 4 and 1. After this, we step with the left foot forward, 2 and 3, we step backward. Let's practice together. With the right foot to the side. Cha, cha, cha. 2, 3. Cha, cha, cha. 2, 3.
Now, let's take a closer look to the spot turn to the right and see the most common mistakes that people do.
Tips for the gentleman. Never let your partner go. You must have 2 points of contact with her hand and then you release and continue holding with the right hand.
We've reached the end of our cha-cha-cha lesson. Thank you for joining us and remember, keep practicing.